Hey friends, imagine driving your car on a creepy night. Not the best idea. Add a creepy lightning storm, and now it feels like a horror movie. These are the wildest clouds you'll ever see. Why did the tornado catch the dustbin? Even nature hates garbage. A lucky man standing right under a natural disaster and somehow surviving. In this video, you'll see both ice floods and water floods. Nature's double offer. And yes, that's a woman enjoying her clothes, even during an earthquake. Priorities. This moment looked so satisfying, but it was also dangerously real. A landslide and a water slide. Nature has both versions. The wind blew with force, and even the windmill couldn't survive. This scene was captured unexpectedly, and it will shake you. Glacier ice under the sun, so satisfying, like nature's glass art. Strong winds targeted the old trees. Nature always chooses the weak first.
There goes. Oh my God. Oh God.
Like its name, the earthquake shook everything around. A mountain flood disaster, but somehow everyone was safe. What would you do if a tornado stood right in front of you? The tornado doesn't fill dustbins, it empties them. The road broke apart right above the river bridge.
वो गाड़ी वाला भैया बाहर निकाले इसको, वो बाहर निकाले भैया पुश करो, इनको निकालो, वो बाहर आ जाओ भैया, वो बाहर निकलो, वो निकल जाओ, वो गाड़ी छोड़ो भैया, बाहर निकलो यार, वो बाहर निकल यार, वो बाहर निकलो बाहर।
This man was lucky. He saw the flood disaster with his own eyes. flood destroyed everything. Nothing was left behind. A landslide in the mountains. Miraculously, all were safe. The flood attacked the village with unstoppable force.
My car is gone. Everything's gone. It's all gone.
What's the real fault here? Tell me in the comments. Ice looked so creepy. The car was half visible, half buried. This was an artwork of Earth, completely made of ice. The credit goes to heavy winds. They moved everything. A heavy landslide, wiping out the whole area. This slide of land felt like slicing a giant cake. These buildings fell apart, like they were made of Lego. You can feel it. Something is wrong nearby. Water is life for our body, but too much water can wipe out a city. Like and subscribe for this brave mom who saved her children. "5 years to build, 5 seconds to destroy." woman enjoying her clothes, even while chaos unfolds. This tornado looked so creepy. It was like a movie scene. A lucky man survived, right in the middle of strong winds. Please never go near a tornado. Subscribe, or maybe this situation will target you.
Half a mile to a quarter of a mile from us. Just gonna let it do its thing.
A car slid across the road, like skating, but deadly. Have you ever seen this before? An earthquake, shaking the lake itself. From a small tornado to a devil tornado. This was another earthquake, nature's anger at work. Tornado captured on the road. Every car instantly hit reverse. Please don't repeat this man's mistake. Listen to the voice of the wind. It's terrifying. This isn't a girl's glow. It's the glow of clouds. What is this? Tell me in the comments. The mountain looked beautiful, but had a dark side too. Luckily, no one was standing on it. This is how the dam water flows, powerful and endless. Ice slices floating, like nature's puzzle pieces. Dark clouds cast massive shadows, like a warning sign. God, please stop the floods. We pray for safety. Nowadays, even metro stations are underwater. The flood river was completely full, no space left. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.